Yo, what's up? It's your boy Jay Mills from Traveling on the Beautiful Blue Seas. I'm just out here chilling on my day off work on a Thursday evening. Now I'm about to go into Mackay's Pizza to grab something to eat, and I'm going to do a taste test review to see what it's like now. I haven't been here for a while, but I know it's one of the most delicious pizzas right here in the GTA. So stay tuned right after the intro. Hi, how's it going? It's your boy Jay Mills from Traveling on the Beautiful Blue Seas. I went inside Mackay's Pizza and I got myself a pepperoni slice with a stuffed beef patty with lettuce, cheese, and mayo. The patties over here are super delicious, and you get it with. And if you want to get a slice of pizza with it, then you're always more than welcome. So that way you can enjoy a delicious meal, you know. Now, I'm about to take a nice dig into the pizza. Very tasty. Pizza's not too hard and not too soft. It's not too soft. It's nice and juicy. The best pizza right here in Brampton, Ontario. Mackay's. Can't go wrong with that. If you want a delicious, go somewhere where you can get a nice slice of pizza, I recommend this place here, Mackay's Pizza. They have the best pizza here in the GTA. It's very good, very tasty, nice flavors to it. Now, we're gonna dig into the stuffed beef patty. Very good. That's what I love about this place. This place has Jamaican beef patties, and you could put lettuce, tomatoes, mayo, you could put cheese. Very good. Hits the spot. Other places, you wouldn't really see stuffed beef patties. But this place here, Mackay's, is by far one of the best, is by far the best place to grab pizza. Nice and fresh, juicy, not too hard. They don't keep it sitting there for too long. They always refresh it. And I definitely will rate this a 10 out of 10. Hands down. Pizza's very delicious. Look at it. And the slices are fairly big too. Nice and filling. You can also buy a stuffed beef patty with it, however you like, or you can just get the slice of pizza. And they also have subs there too. I've had the subs at one point before. Subs were pretty good there. But now, I'm about to wrap up this video so I can finish this nice, delicious gourmet meal. Subscribe to my channel, leave a like and a comment below. Let me know what you think of the video. And until then, I'll see everybody on those beautiful blue seas where the live action is at. Have a wonderful day.